awesome. But I like to do little advice videos every day about what seems to work for me. Okay? Because I really think that if you do video, it gives you a massive advantage. Okay? Now you can be successful by not doing any video, just posting videos already made. There's an insane amount of great neutral videos that promote Live Good. And then underneath the video or your post, you can put, but click here to join me. Branding yourself. What do I mean by that? Now I bought CoryDraper.com. I say my name quite a bit in the video. Below the video, you'll probably see my name. If I welcome you or invite you to my Facebook page, it's probably to Cory Draper's personal page. I do own multiple companies, but I like people to know that even if you go to joincory.com, you know, the capture page even says Cory Draper's website. You go to CoryDraper.com. You email Cory@CoryDraper.com. I want people to know who I am because in my experience, signing up a lot of people and talking to thousands, people join people. If you're stuck right now in a rut, don't worry about it and live good. At least you're joined. You've joined or you're thinking of joining. Okay? Right now it's December of 2024. Live Good turns to December 13th. Okay? So in about a week, give or take, Live Good's only 2 years old. Okay? Now, there's about 1.6 million members and affiliates. $15 million of product go out. We're in a couple hundred countries. And boy, we're just doing extremely well. Okay? It's a really legit, nice company. It's affordable. That's why there's such worldwide success. Philippines, they're in. All right, we're all over Africa, New Guinea, Australia. Man, up in Mexico, or down in Mexico, or up north. Our buddies up in Canada. But just about every country is signed up in Live Good. They understand how to put their name and email address in when they go to, in my case, joincory.com. You can go to CoryDraper.com. I always lead my links to where you put information in and watch little short videos. I highly recommend you do that. But if you want to do a video like I'm doing, awesome. Just take baby steps. And like I said, just record yourself in the bathroom or behind your steering wheel where no one can hear you. If you swear, if you mess up, if you pick your nose or if you burp or your throat goes crazy during the video, don't worry, no one's ever going to hear it. But start practicing talking out loud about Live Good or whatever opportunity. It's a great membership company, guys, for $10 a month minus a nickel. Okay, just go with me here. Okay, what is Live Good? Well, it's a great company that sells a lot of cool stuff. And it's just not all healthy things, but it's the majority right now. But just like Amazon started with books, Live Good's definitely going to branch into other areas, just like Costco, for example. Okay? But it's a great membership-based website. You want wholesale pricing? How much, guys? $9.95 a month. You want to be an affiliate? How much? Two $20 bills, $40 one time. Okay, what's the minimum you can join as a member and an affiliate? $49.95. Just say it out loud, record. Or maybe you don't have a cell phone or a webcam, but just stand up, I don't know, maybe in your closet. Okay, maybe it's just dark and you just have clothes, or maybe there's some weirdo in there staring at you. But I know it's easy to think in your mind about Live Good. And maybe you're good at emailing. I'm real good at email. All right, I'm pretty good at posting. But I do video, so I speak out loud quite a lot about my opportunities. And in person, we might chat a little bit about Live Good, but at the end of the day, I'm always going to get my business cards out and go to joincory.com. But see, the more I talk to you guys, I just start believing even more into the experience of Live Good. It's easy for me to just make it fun. And people, I think that they really do believe that I love Live Good. And the number one reason I hear why is because I put the time in through video. Now, I do send a lot of email out, over 100,000 per day now. Okay? If you want to know how I email, just get a hold of me. It's cheap. It's $1 a day. But and I don't know if this is branding myself, but I do want people to know who Cory Draper is. That's why I send you to my personal Facebook page. That's why Cory at CoryDraper.com. You're at least thinking of my name, and it is my personal email. And I love just knowing that if you join Cory.com, that you're going to be taken care of, because I know how I treat every single person that signs up with me. I signed up 4 people in the last 6 days. Okay? And that makes me feel good. I love to average 15 to 30 signups per month and help those people get maybe 1 or 2 or maybe 5 people signed up for the first time ever. There's so many people that have a lot of experience that have signed up with me. They have 10 to 20 to 30 years experience. And maybe they made a couple bucks, but usually if it's a traditional MLM or a traditional business where you just kind of zone out and there's no sales, you got to move on. You got to make money. You can't stay forever into something that's not making you money. Not when you're my age. Hell no. I can't afford to wait. I got father time or mother time, or I got the Grim Reaper probably on my wall back here ready. It's like, hey man, just keep talking like that, Cory, and eat your lasagna and your tacos. All right? They're just waiting. When's my time over? I don't know. I don't have a little clock on my wrist. Okay? But why waste time just being addicted to study, because and I'm guilty of it. That's why I bring it up. It's fun to sit for weeks and watch how-to videos or setup videos. And you're almost nervous to really try to do what the video is teaching you, because wonder if you fail. Wonder if you do all of this. Oh my God, 2 or 3 weeks of setup and training and memorization and everything else, and it doesn't work. You're going to be so bummed out. Then you're going to probably want to try to join something else or maybe give up altogether. I get it. I've done it all. Everything I just said, believe me, done that. But wouldn't it be nice to know that if you do join Live Good or whatever opportunity, that if you get into emails, make a business card real quick. Make a Facebook page. Get over being embarrassed that if you are in a business, you don't mind talking about that business. Because if you're kind of embarrassed, you probably shouldn't even be in it. You know what I mean? If you don't like what you're wearing, you're probably not going to go out and walk with confidence. If you don't like your teeth because they're crooked or maybe they're broken, you're not going to be in a video smiling. If you think you're tired, you have baggy eyes like me. I have baggy eye syndrome no matter what. Okay? But I'll tell you, if you can just sit in your car or go in the shower, or if your family's gone or you live by yourself, just start talking about Live Good or whatever business out loud a little bit. If you got a pet giraffe, get that giraffe inside and have the giraffe or the rhinoceros sit on your couch and speak to it. Or, I don't know, I collect dolls. You want to see my new doll I just bought? I bought the Trumpinator. Remember the Terminator with Arnold Schwarzenegger? Look, I found Donald Trump as the Terminator. It's called the Trumpinator. I'll be back. Isn't that funny? Look, it's a bobblehead too. I want to rock around the clock. I want to rock. But the more you just don't take yourself so serious and look at yourself. And if you're tired, so what? Tell people on camera. If you're getting older, if you got a Santa Claus beard like I have, if you had a good day or a bad day, tell people. All right? But just try talking, speaking, even if you're by yourself. Do some out louding where you speak out loud about Live Good. It's $49.95, guys. If you have $99, you know what? Come on. You get 12 months for the price of 10. How much is that affiliate fee one time, right? $40. $9.95. That's all it costs to be a member to get wholesale pricing. And then if you buy a domain name like I have, let's say joincory.com. Awesome. Say it out loud a little bit. For some reason, you just get so comfortable. It's almost like you created Live Good with our CEO, Ben Klinsky. Okay? But don't be embarrassed about Live Good. I'm not. I have Live Good hats, shirts. I just don't wear them 99% of the time. So maybe I am embarrassed, but I do. The shirts are nice quality and the hats are cool, guys. I have a whole bunch of them. Okay? Just to prove it, I bought the dark blue one that looks green. Or wait, I don't know where all the other ones are. But I bought all the colors that are available. Yellow's my favorite color. I'm going to probably just have to make custom-made hats with the logo. And that's what's cool about Live Good. A lot of times the company makes you just buy official, like, Live Good products. Ben, he goes, hey, you know what? If we don't make a yellow Live Good shirt, that's cool. Go to your favorite print shop and make some shirts that say Live Good. If you want to make a hat, you make business cards or whatever. Live Good's a very easygoing company, in my opinion. I like how they just say, buy our products wholesale, sell them on Amazon, sell them online, sell them out of the back of your trunk. Go ahead, guys. Our products speak for themselves. You got 3 months. Guaranteed, no questions asked. Even if you pour all that CBD oil, go ahead and get rid of all the package, the powder and the protein jars. Take all the vitamins and say, you know what? I want my money back. Do it within 90 days, 3 months. No questions asked. It's a pretty damn good guarantee, right? All right, guys. Thank you for your time. I always appreciate it because time, it's something that we can't ever get back, all right? Unless we go back to the future Michael J. Fox style. But subscribe to my YouTube channel. Get a hold of me on Facebook, inbox. You can get a hold of me on, of course, my email too, Cory@CoryDraper.com. Okay? And that's it. If you're not in Live Good, I want you to join my team. I want to show you exactly what I do to kick ass, okay? All right, guys. That's it. My work is done, and I got to go pee, and I got to go, literally. See you guys.